Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video, guys, I recorded an entire intro. We just had a heart-to-heart and the camera had stopped recording and I did not. No. Therefore, that being said, we've got this style already started and why? Okay. So, typically whenever I, show you guys first impressions of hair and stuff like that, I don't always do another video following up to let you guys know how I felt about the hair later on down the road. So that's what today's video is about. This hair is from herhaircompany.com. The original video, you can peep that here. Go into the description box. We went through how to make this wig. So I have brushed out the curls, triple barrel curls that I had done from that style originally, and I decided to use my wand, which y'all know I love a wand. Like, I love a wand curl. And just kind of touch this up. I really love that the hair is so full and it has bounce and it's got like to it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just going in lightly and kind of like touching it up and giving myself kind of a different wave than what I did the first time. But I will say, y'all, this hair feels phenomenal, okay? Phenomenal. I haven't colored this batch, but I have colored hair from them in the past. Another video you can check out, my little 12 highlight secrets, tips, ways to get some color in your life without actually having to do a full head of color. Let's get back into this video, because as I said, the footage that we don't have. And let's get back into my feelings. I fully just had like a whole heart-to-heart with you guys about my life and everything, because this is Moments in the Mirror with Makita. That's what we do here, right? We talk about stuff, y'all. And I recently shared quite a bit with you guys when I talked about my experience with the Nana doll, finding a doll with my name and that looked like me and how exciting that was, and kind of an insight to like a part of my childhood. And a lot of you guys could really relate to what I went through, what I was going through. So I think, one, thank you for not judging me, thank you for being there, and thank you for making me feel safe enough to even come on here and talk about that and be vulnerable with you guys, because y'all the tribe. Another thing is going on with me. I just got back from Africa. I was in West Africa. I was in Ghana and Nigeria. One of the most epic trips of my entire life, has been so life-changing. And mind you, if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know, and you guys were there and you watched it. It was a movie. It was a movie, okay? And I wish I could have even have documented everything. Y'all only saw a piece of the movie, but I showed a lot. I really did share a lot. I'm definitely gonna release a vlog. I'm trying to compile everything to share with you guys, but it was honestly just so life-changing in like every way you could think of. And honestly, since I've been back, I just haven't felt the same. Like, I haven't been the same person. I've seen the world differently. Like, I feel like someone was calling me my entire life and I just answered the call. Like, it's so hard to explain, but I've never been somewhere that I've never been to that felt like I was supposed to be there. And it was crazy. I don't know if it's because Nigeria and Ghana are similar to Jamaica in a lot of ways, so like there's a lot of familiarity there, a lot of similarities, but I do also feel like I see a lot of similarities in Jamaica in a lot of other places. Like, it wasn't my first time going to Africa. I've been to Tanzania, I've been to South Africa, I've been to Zanzibar, which is Tanzania, but Zanzibar still has a different feel from Dar. Shout out to all my Tanzanians, Nigerians, Ghanaians, South Africans. I mean, all of y'all. Shout out to all of y'all, but the countries I've been to. Just saying. Hey. It definitely has a different feel than the west side, and it also, Tanzania still felt similar to Jamaica in a lot of ways, but I didn't have that same feeling that I got when I was in Nigeria. I think it's also the fact that when I went to Ghana, we went to the slave castles, the Cape Coast, where it went down, y'all, and like, it was so emotional. And it wasn't the kind of emotional that was like, oh, I'm just emotional today and that's it. It was like days later, and even till now, like, it just was still resonating with me. Like, I was on the plane just crying because I was just recapping and thinking and really, really knowing that, like, yo, I am my ancestors' wildest dreams for real. Here I am on this plane. Here I am doing my thing, owning my own business, like exploring the world and experiencing all these different stuff. And it's like, yo, I really am their wildest dream. They were taken into captivity, tortured, mentally murdered, and physically as well. But you know what I mean? And just to think like, these are the results, y'all. These are the results. I do not let their experiences go in vain. Like, I've really been trying to live my life to the max in every way. That being said, I think there's a lot of things that I have wanted to do since I was little that I have put on the back burner, and I haven't really been focusing on as much as I think I could because I didn't know how. So Africa's always had a special place in my heart because I always grew up knowing that I was originating from there. I think a lot of North Americans don't always feel that because either one, in Canada, we're connected to wherever our parents are from, which might be like the Caribbean or somewhere like that, or we just are American. You know, for those of you who are born and raised in America for generations, like, how could you even feel connected to Africa? The culture is so different. Whereas I think for Caribbean people, you feel like the culture, African culture, is still somewhat like there's a lot of parallels, a lot of similarities. Whereas there just really aren't as many similarities when you grow up as, like, I think a Black American versus a Black African American who's actually has African parents or Caribbean parents. There's a lot of just differences. But let's get into this wave though. Okay, our hair company. Anyways, that being said, I have always been passionate about connecting the Black community. A part of the reason I started this channel was because I wanted to reach more people so that more people felt like they had someone that they could relate to, because I know we're all different, and obviously there's other Black creators on here, but I still think like we're all unique, and sometimes you don't see yourself in some people. Sometimes you don't get to see yourself in the people in your neighborhood, and the internet's beautiful because it allows us to create this community, this tribe that is international. It's not just about who's outside of your house next door, and I think that's why I also love doing these moments in the mirror with you guys, because I'm actually getting to talk to you guys directly. I wish it was almost live sometimes, because then it's like we could actually talk and you could ask me questions, which I should just go live more often. Let me know if you guys actually even want that. But it allows you to build community beyond your doorstep. And I've always been very passionate about that, but I still think there's ways that I could do more, not just on my platform, but actual physically connecting countries that are a part of the African diaspora, because I think global community is so important. And one of my friends, Tape, who I went to Africa with, she runs a program called Level Set, which is all about mentorship, connectivity, community, and that was a part of why we were there. She had 2 events, one in Ghana and one in Nigeria, and it was so beautiful just watching everyone connect and talk about their dreams and their passions and the things that they're working on. And like, we don't do that enough in our community at all. Like, I think other races and other communities understand the importance of mentorship and connectivity and networking, collaboration, but I think we kind of are still struggling with that a bit, and I think that's because of the systemic policies that are in place, the racism, the everything that's kind of, it's really set us up to fail. Let's face it. Like, we're survivors, we push through, but things in this country, in North America, and the places that have been affected by colonization have not been set up to prosper. So that does affect us mentally. And sometimes we're in survival mode instead of collaboration mode, because if you're in survival mode, do you think you can even think about collaborating? No, you can't. But anyways, I think there's a shift happening, and I'm really excited because I feel like I'm about to do some things, guys. I have some plans for some things, and I'm more excited and fired up than I've ever been in my entire life, and I'm ready to take my life to the next level. So if you are with me in that feeling of taking your life to the next level, maybe you don't even know what that next level is going to look like yet, but you want it. You know what I'm saying? You want it, and you're done with where you're at. You just want to go to the next place, the next space. And I also realized that, yes, a lot of that is going to be working with other people, connecting with other people, collaborating with other people. So hit me up, like, comment below and let me know if there's something that you want to connect with other people with, and let's have a community conversation down in the comments about the stuff that we can do to maybe help another person. Like, I would love to find just like graphic artists and stuff to even work with, photographers to work with, people who are in the creative space, or maybe you have an organization that you need, you know, some attention on, and you want to you know, talk about it, whatever it is. Like, there's so many things. Maybe you're a chef, maybe you're like a million different things that I think we could talk about what we do a lot more to then create results and create community and help ourselves move forward. And while we do that moving forward, we're bringing other people with us within the community. So just look out, guys. Like, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be doing some things in the next few weeks, months, and for the rest of my life, and I'm just so excited for you guys to be on this journey with me, because you've seen me, for those of you who've been here from the beginning, you guys have seen me grow, you guys have seen so many things, and I'm thoroughly excited for this next level of my life. And I can't even talk about everything yet. This video is supposed to be about this hair, but it's more than hair, and it's always been more than hair. So yeah, thank you for riding with me. Woo, we're almost done. Sorry, guys. Gosh, I'm getting emotional here. But yeah, let me just speed up and do this so we can get to these final results here. Okay, we're down to the last few pieces here. Just framing around the face. Oh, yeah. Look how voluptuous this hair is, y'all. It's not even done, and I'm just like, hey. The last piece, seal the deal. I'm gonna do it off the face, spiral around, zoop, zoop, zoopity doop doop. Pull out, let it cool, and let it sit. And open her out. Oh. Don't kill him, girl. Don't kill him. Try my best. I'll try my best. Okay, what do you guys think? I'm feeling like a pageant queen, okay? A voluptuous pageant queen, because this level of volume right now and texture is kind of everything. Oh, girl. Oh, did we miss a piece? We did. Okay, so there we go. Get the tossle in there, the flip in there. That's what it's all about. Bow, 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 bow. Break them, kill them, kill them, kill them. Oh, cute girl. Okay, guys, what do you think? How you feeling it? What are you saying? If you guys are looking for a new hair company to try that you have not, I do recommend giving her hair company a try, y'all, because I have not been disappointed yet. I have not been disappointed yet, and I love the way this hair curls and the way their hair typically holds a curl as well. Just that body, you know what I'm saying? It just looks like... Okay, now should I do that like sultry, trying to be cute? I'm a fool, and that's just how it's gonna be. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Thank you for listening to my spiel in the beginning. Sometimes I get in my feelings, but I like sharing those feelings with you guys because you make me feel comfortable to do so. So, that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you are looking for new hair, or maybe you just need a style for date night this weekend, or girls' night this weekend, and you're feeling something like this, I'm gonna stop titivating now in the mirror, and I'm gonna let y'all go. So until next time, I love you. Oh wait, and don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, because it's popping and it's lit and it's where you wanna be. Alright guys, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste! Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rollin'. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm